Here's how to assemble this scrub brush. This piece right here is going to screw into the actual brush section. And then these two pieces, just gonna, oh, let's see. Sorry, I had that upside down, silly me. Screw that in like that. And then this one goes down like that. And then this is your top piece with the little grip. Slide it down and spin it. Make sure all these are all the way tight. And there it is, completely assembled. It's actually quite long. Let me show you here. So it's quite long. You got this little button on it, and it swivels so you can adjust its angle. I'm 5 feet 8 inches tall, so you could take out one of these sections, which would be nice if you want to have a shorter grip. So there's how to assemble this bad boy.